A study of over 700,000 people in 111 countries gamit ang smartphone data found that the global average steps per person is around 5,000 steps per day. Ang tao usually nagsisimulang matutong maglakad sa edad na 12 to 15 months old. Ang tawag dito is wobbling walk. Now, considering na ang average lifespan ng tao sa Pilipinas is 72 years old. So, ibig sabihin, parang may 71 years ka na naglalakad all your life. Kung i-compute natin, 5,000 steps times 71 years, that's around 130 million steps, no, sa buong buhay mo. Or about 91,000 kilometers. Ang Earth's circumference or yung equator is roughly 40,075 kilometers. So, technically, para mo na rin nalibot yung Earth ng 2 beses sa dami ng steps na nilakad mo in your lifetime.